GE Profile Harmony dryer won't turn on. Used the dryer last night, no problem, ran full cycle, tried to dry some clothes this morning and nothing. Check power source and that's okay, washer plugged into same plug works. Any easy fixes before I spend the big bucks to call in a repairman? Thanks in advance. Sue.
Hello Slay815 and thanks for choosing the JustAnswer.com appliance category. Can you open the door and get the model number from the door jamb?
I knew I didn't have the right one. DPGT 750 GC1WW. Thank you.
Step 0. Locate the circuit breaker or fuse box, near the electric meter, or power cord for the unit and physically disconnect power for 20 minutes to reset the controller. Do not rely on the normal power switch on the unit because the power switch for most controller-based equipment is only a signal/request to the controller but does not actually kill power to the controller. Step 1. After 20 minutes, reapply power to see if the controller behaves differently by testing the unit.
Thanks for that suggestion. I tried it, but no luck. By the way, the light on the inside of the dryer does still work.
Are any of the indicators on the control panel turned on?
Voila! Just went to try it again. And it works. Thank you so much. House full of guests for the holiday and now they have clean sheets on the bed. Smile. Happy holidays to you.
You are welcome.
Same problem, new day. Unplugging and plugging back in did not work this time. Frown.
Hi Sue, are any of the indicators on the control panel turned on? Does the light inside still turn on when you open the door? Exchange the plugs in the wall outlet for the dryer and washer. 41,270.9153827.315.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.